I'm going to analyze a very simple Galton board so that I can figure out the probability of a marble falling in any given spot. I'm going to draw a Galton board with just 2 rows. So there's my top, and then 2 in the middle. And then I'm going to think about what would happen if I drop a marble onto the top peg. So it's got an equal likelihood of falling in each direction. So that means half of the time it will go one way, and the other half of the time it will go the other. But now what? Well, from here, half of the time it'll go this way, and half the time it'll go this way. And same over here. Half and half. So now, to figure out the fractions, I have to look at this half got split in half. So I have to calculate 1/2 of 1/2. I could rewrite that as 1/2 times 1/2. And 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So it's 1/4. So 1/4 of the marbles dropped will go this way. 1/4 will go that way. Same thing over here. 1/4 here and 1/4 there. So if I'm collecting them right here, that means that a total of 1/4 of the marbles theoretically should fall here, and that 1/4 plus 1/4 would be 1/2, and over here just 1/4. Which then leads me to think, what if instead of collection buckets here there was another peg? So now I would have to do the same thing again, except now each of these dots would also be going in 2 directions. With some falling here, some falling here, some falling here, and some going here.